Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. I'm just moving right along in all of my planners. I'm filming a lot. So I need to get this one ready. Today's actually Friday, but I want to start writing in it. So I need to get it ready for next week, which starts the 6th. And I really quickly decided on what I'm going to use, which is Planning Favorite Florals. And this book, just a couple of the girls in here that I got at, I think it was Soto Studios, and I'll put a link to that one in case if y'all like it. And then these are just some dash line periwinkle boxes from my shop. And I'm going to be using one of my favorite brand of highlighters, Mr. Pen. In fact, that's what I'm going to start with. I am going to go ahead and highlight these because I want to put stickers over them, but I want the highlight to be there already so that I don't have to go around the stickers. So basically, let's see, let me take this off. Let's see, I'm using my planner. Basically, I'm just going to go through here and I am going to do this on the lines. Okay, so I'm going to do that on all of these and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I did that. Now what I want to do is I want to go in and add some of the florals, I think, and I've also got this washi that I might use. But like I said before, I really want to keep this planner somewhat just functional. It's going to have a little decoration. I don't know where my tweezers are. Hold on one second. It's just really functional for me. I wasn't going to, I really wasn't going to decorate it much, but I know a lot of people, they're new to this planner and they may be wondering how to decorate it or just wanting some ideas and inspiration. And so that's what I would like to provide. So look at how pretty these are. I only have 4 of these because I used them in another spread before. So I was thinking of going either, I think I'm going to go like every other one. So like this one, and then this one. And these are just going to go like right at the top here, like that. And like I said, I've only got 4, so I kind of have to pick and choose where they're going. So, so this one's going here. Now I kind of wish I wouldn't have done the lines because you probably would have been able to see the flowers better if I didn't have the lines behind it. Oh well. Oh well. No big deal. So then it's this one here. Put these right at the top. And then I had one more over here. These flowers, I used them in a spread last summer. And oh my gosh, that's like one of my favorite spreads. And it was, I'll try and put a link to the video of the plan with me where I use these flowers. And it was in my vertical memory keeper. And it was fireflies. Yeah, there's firefly little containers in it. And I thought these flowers kind of looked like nighttime flowers. I don't know. It came out so pretty. You guys should really check that one out. It's really nice. Okay. So I wanted to do that. And then I kind of wanted to do something floral on the other ones too. So I was thinking of using, let's see, we've got these. I want something, I'm thinking these, like, I guess one of these, or should we just go with the black? Because I think we've got more of the black, or just black, and I'll use some of that blue one around where we don't have enough blue. So let's cut this in half. Where's my scissors? And I'm going to cut it, let's see, it's going to be here. I'm going to cut it right through the rows. And let's just try it and see how that looks. I'll get my fingers out the way by using my, this thing, my tweezers. I like it. It's okay. I gotta remember not to get too complicated in here. I just need it decorated so that I can start writing stuff coming up next week and I can start using it. And then we need 2 more. Let's see, which one was that one? It was, no, it was just like one flower in the middle, so it must have been this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Right? Oh no, it was this one? Let's use this one. Looks different, huh? Maybe I don't have another one like that. No, let's use this one. This one is mostly dark. It's different, but that's okay. And I'm going to go, which way do we want to go? Let's go this way. All right. So, actually, I don't need two. I only need one. So which one do we like better? This one or this one? I don't like either. Now that I cut them, let's go with this one. Why did I not like either? I don't know. I just didn't. I like this one. Yeah, let's use this one. It's going to go like that. All right. That's a pretty flower right there. Okay. All right, that looks nice. Now let's add a few of the big ones. These. I think I want to do two of these here. Or maybe this smaller one. This one's cute. I want to do like the small one here. And then the big one next to it. Let's see if this big one even, oh, I don't even think this fits there. Nope, it does not fit there. Okay, so we use a slightly smaller big one. Let me see this one. That one just seems a little too small. I think it's okay. Let's do like that. And then maybe one of these. And behind it. That looks cute. All right, I like that. Okay. Now I did want like a decorative, let me find the girl. Because there was a couple girls in here, and I'll just do a quick little flip through of this book. It's got some cute stickers in it, and they're pretty cheap. I think they're like $10. Got some interesting stickers in here. But I liked her. I liked her standing there reading the book, and she's got some blue on, and I thought she would fit perfectly right here, and she does. So she is going to go right here, just like that. And then maybe we put a small flower at her feet. Let's see. Which one is small enough to go there? Let's see this one. Just to get some more of the blue and black in there. That looks fine. Okay. And then I'm going to put something over here. I kind of liked her too. I thought she was pretty with nice hair. And she's like looking at next week. Let's see. Let's put a flower behind her. I'm going to put it like this. I kind of want to white that out. I kind of do, kind of don't, but let's just white it out. All right. And then that's going to go there. And then she's going to go like that. I kind of feel like this should be whited out too. Although I shouldn't worry about it because this planner is just my catch-all. Let's just put her here like that. All right. Then what else do we want to do? I do want to use some of my boxes and then maybe something up here. Oh, this is pretty. I'm going to put this here. Sort of like that. Let's go over that line. I'll put that there. And I thought I got a quote, but maybe I didn't. Oh, that's right. I stopped looking because I don't remember. Oh, my cat started crying. I don't think there's any quotes in here. There's good morning. You know what? I'm going to use it. Even though it's kind of weird. I think I'm going to use the good morning, but without this little thing here. Because those trackers are what I use in the morning to make sure that I use and write in all of my planners. How does that look? I think it'll look better without the two little X's. Okay. Oh, and I still have to cut even closer right here. All right. Good morning. That's cute. Okay. So what else do we want to add to this? See, it's got some really pretty stuff. I kind of like that one. But I've got the dark, so I kind of want to keep with the dark. I like the watch. When will I ever use a watch? If not in this planner. I think I'm just going to put it right here. Is that silly? I don't know. I think it's kind of silly, but I'm going to put it here anyway. But you see, it's like, maybe I should add it. Well, no, it's got to be this way. Oh, whatever. It's okay. It is just my catch-all planner. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It just has to be a little bit pretty. All right, let's go back to the flowers. Maybe we have a flower here to go with that. I think I'm going to put, just like I put that one over there, I'm going to put this one over here on top of notes. So like I have this here, I'm going to put this one over here. And do I need it to say notes? Yeah, I think I do. I'm going to leave the notes and just put that a little bit down. Let's not do that. Let's go ahead and just put some blue here and dress it up a little bit. I think that's what we'll do. Let's just dress it up. Oh. Got crooked. And it's still a little crooked, but that's okay. Let's do like that. And then maybe one right here just to finish it off. But let's angle it a little bit. I do like how that looks. I don't like those boxes kind of just floating there like nothing. Okay. And I feel like the to-do is a little boring. So what if we add this right here? Or, I know, we can do like this. Like that. I don't love it. Should we highlight the to-do? Should we leave it alone? I kind of feel like it needs something. Let's see. Let me just try this and see what I think once it's down and cut. And then I'll decide. I think it's too, maybe I made it too big. Okay, that I do like. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do one more, make it a little bigger so it's easier to pull off. And then I'm going to pause the video and do the rest. So basically just line it up with that, cut it, and then about halfway, do like that. That looks cute. Okay, I like that. All right, hold on, let me do the rest. All right, so there's that. Now I decided to just use one of my boxes because that's the day that I have an appointment. So I think I'm going to maybe dress it up a little bit. Yeah, that looks dumb. I don't like that. Okay, so I kind of want to do something else. I feel like these are kind of boring. I do like the little dashes. I think those came out cute. Let's see. Maybe, can January be spruced up a little bit? Not really. So I'm still learning this planner, you know. I'm not quite sure exactly how I want to use, I do know how I want to use it. I'm not sure that I'm great at decorating it just yet, but that's okay because, you know what, I'm going to put that there because I don't like how that just abruptly ends. We're going to learn together how to decorate this planner. So I've got more of these. I wonder if I can just do these on the bottom like that. Do we like that? I don't know. Let me add a couple and then I'll decide if we like it. And by we, I mean me. Oh, just don't do it crooked because then you definitely won't like it. I think I do. I think I'm just going to do it because I don't want those boxes to be blank. So I'm going to cut these. And then I'm going to add them to the bottoms. this. And that way the bottoms are kind of finished and marked off. And then we've got one more. I know we've got two more. So we'll use this one. Okay, I think this way. All right. This one's going to go here. And this one's going to go here. So this, just a little tip, something that makes spreads look good, in my opinion, and, you know, in my experience of decorating a bunch of these, when you stick to 2 colors, 3 at the most, they just look better, I find. I mean, some are nice when they have a bunch of colors, but when you do that, then you really have to have like an anchor color, you know, like a black or something that you're going to use everywhere while your other colors are spread around everywhere. I'm not sure if that makes any sense, but all right, you know what? I think I'm happy with it. I think maybe once I'm off camera, I might color in the to-dos, but maybe I won't. Like maybe every other one, that might look good, in case if you would still want to do something else to it, but I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm going to use it just like that. And what I will do is usually I'll use a pen that kind of coordinates. In this case, I'll probably use black, and maybe I can mark some of these off with a marker somewhere else. But honestly, I just wanted to get this thing decorated so that I could start using it for next week. I want to start writing in it. I wanted to have the video done. So here it is. And there is the second Planner Envy spread, all nice and done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.